Hey makers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build something super cool, a stepper motor controller where you can control the speed just by turning a potentiometer, and the best part is we will do it using the Raspberry Pi Pico with MicroPython, one of the easiest programming languages for beginner in electronics. So if you are new to coding, don't worry, MicroPython make it simple and I will walk you through step by step. Now before we start wiring, a quick word on MicroPython. It is basically a Python for microcontrollers like the Raspberry Pi Pico. Instead of writing long complicated code in C, you can use short and simple Python commands to control hardware, which make it perfect for beginners. You will need just a few affordable components for this project: a 12-volt power supply, a Raspberry Pi Pico, stepper motor, a potentiometer, a breadboard, some jumpers wire, a small screwdriver, and of course L298N motor driver. Connect IN1, IN2, IN3 and IN4 pins from the motor driver to Raspberry Pi GPIO, GPIO2, GPIO3, GPIO4, GPIO5 respectively. And then connect ground to the potentiometer and a 3v3 power to potentiometer. And then connect ENA, ENB pins from the motor driver to Raspberry Pi Pico GPIO 6 and 7. And after connect the potentiometer to GPIO pin 26, which is ADC pin. And after that connect motor to its driver. And finally we need to connect 12-volt power supply to the motor driver, and make sure we need to common the ground of both motor driver and Raspberry Pi Pico. In this project, Raspberry Pi Pico is connected to L298N motor driver to control the stepper motor, We use 4 GPIO pins. GP2 goes to IN1, GP3 goes to IN2, GP4 goes to IN3, GP5 goes to IN4. These pins send the step sequence that make the motor rotate. GP6 and GP7 pins are connected to ENA and ENB, which provide full power to the motor coils. A 12 volt power supply the motor through the driver. Finally, the potentiometer is connected to GP26, and by turning it, we adjust the motor speed in real time. And that's how you can control a stepper motor speed using Raspberry Pi Pico, L29810, a potentiometer and MacroPython. This is simple project can be starting point for robotics, 3D printer, CNC machine and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your maker friends. See you in the next project.